In the 1960s, the Italian Navy set out to create a weapon that would remain unmatched well into the new millennium. Developed by the Oto Melara company, the 76mm compact naval cannon quickly gained popularity in international markets. Its versatile design made it ideal for roles such as anti-missile and anti-aircraft defense, as well as anti-surface and general naval support. It soon outperformed both American and Russian counterparts, and over the decades, the OtoMelara system proved to be remarkably adaptable. Even after more than 50 years, this weapon remains in service with the navies of around 60 countries, with some considering it the finest naval gun ever produced. Asterisk, the original 76mm naval gun was created during the Cold War by the Italian defense firm of the same name. Based on the 7662C model, it eventually evolved into more advanced versions, including the 7662 Super Rapid and the 7662 Strails. The compact model was sized appropriately for smaller warships, and its high rate of fire, combined with its compatibility with various types of ammunition, made it suitable for short-range missile defense, anti-aircraft missions, and even secondary surface or ground support roles. Asterisk, the earliest version of the gun could be identified by its angular mounting, which was developed from the earlier 76mm 62 MMI system. It featured a two-piece water-cooled barrel with a replaceable liner, a small hole muzzle brake, a fume extractor, and a fiberglass shield. Despite its early success, the compact model reportedly faced issues with reliability and accuracy when firing at its maximum rate. One engineer involved in its development claimed that the mounting would often fail at a rate of 85 rounds per minute, and could not maintain a 20-round burst with acceptable accuracy at 460 meters. Asterisk, after its introduction in 1963, military priorities shifted toward fast attack crafts armed with missiles. Although the compact model had many strengths, its shortcomings pushed the company to start work on a more advanced design. Roughly 20 years later, a faster, more capable version emerged with a specific focus on countering anti-ship missiles. Asterisk, the Super Rapid model increased the firing rate to 120 rounds per minute, addressing the reliability and accuracy problems of its predecessor. This improvement was achieved by reducing the weight of moving parts, which minimized vibration. The gun's lowest firing rate was 10 rounds per minute, and it also supported single-shot mode. According to the manufacturer, the enhancements reduced the deviation of rounds significantly, improving precision even during rapid bursts of fire. Asterisk, the elevation range extended from -15 to +85 degrees, although the above-deck model was limited to 70 degrees. Both versions could be equipped with a reduced radar cross-section shield. While the gun shield resembled the older model's rounded design, the Super Rapid's mounting was significantly reinforced to withstand pressures twice that of the earlier version. The rocker arms were upgraded as well, being made from titanium instead of steel. Asterisk, improved performance came from a redesigned ammunition feed system and modifications to the ordnance itself. Because of these changes, older compact mountings could not be upgraded to the Super Rapid configuration without a retrofit. However, a modification kit was available to boost the firing rate of the original system. Additionally, the Super Rapid's magazine worked independently from the turret, allowing operators to load different types of ammunition as needed. This made the gun far more adaptable against a range of targets. Asterisk, the Italian Navy viewed the Super Rapid as an effective anti-missile weapon and began fitting its new ships with it instead of the older twin Fast 40 systems. In 2004, the Italians developed a new system called Strails, capable of firing dart ammunition. This enhancement allowed the weapon to counter multiple subsonic missiles at distances of up to 8,000 meters. As a medium-caliber gun with considerable range, it could also be used against surface targets. In addition to its primary anti-missile defense function, the company also introduced the Davide anti-missile system, which could be integrated into new installations or retrofitted onto older mounts. This system was designed to serve as a final layer of defense against sea skimming or diving supersonic and subsonic missiles. It employs steerable dart projectiles and relies on a continuous data stream via radio frequency beams to guide rockets in flight. Asterisk, the 7660 seconds Sovraponti, or overdeck version, is the newest iteration of the compact and lightweight mount, weighing 30 to 40% less than the standard super rapid model. It offers the advantage of not requiring deck penetration for installation. Its first operational use was on an Italian Navy patrol vessel of the Theon di Revel class, mounted above the helicopter hangar. This mount can be sold with or without the Strails system and stores 76 ready-to-fire rounds. The gun is also capable of using special pre-fragmented ammunition for its anti-aircraft role, which is effective against sea-skimming missiles and aircraft. Asterisk, in surface engagements, the weapon fires armor-piercing shells optimized for such missions. It can also use extended range-guided munitions with a maximum reach of 20 kilometers. The Super Rapid remains a relevant system today. The manufacturer claims that when paired with the Dardo fire control system, it can engage missiles at approximately 6,000 meters, though the first rounds typically reach the target at 5,500 meters. Based on this capability, a single gun can engage up to 4 incoming subsonic sea-skimming missiles simultaneously, even if they approach from different directions at 90-degree intervals. It can neutralize all of them before any get within 1,000 meters. Asterisk, the gun has a bore diameter of 76.2 millimeters and supports various types of ammunition, including armor-piercing, incendiary, and directed fragmentation rounds. It is also capable of firing a guided round reportedly capable of intercepting maneuvering anti-ship missiles. Additionally, the system can be installed in a stealth-style housing. Unlike larger American or Italian naval guns of 127 mm, the 76 mm system offers more sophisticated ammunition despite its smaller size. It also requires fewer crew members to operate, compared to older 76 mm or 7.62 cm systems. Asterisk, another key advantage is the gun's large supply of ready-to-use ammunition, which enables longer firing periods before reloading becomes necessary. Both the compact and super rapid versions are nearly unmanned and can be activated in 5 to 10 seconds from a cold start. Typically, a single operator in the Combat Information Center or control room manages the weapon. Power can be supplied from panels on the deck or bridge. The turret houses both the gun and its operational systems, with aiming and elevation controlled electrically. Asterisk, the Oto Melara became one of the most widely used naval guns in history, rivaling even US and Russian systems. By 2010, around 1,000 units of the compact and super rapid variants were reported in service across 60 navies. The latest version had become the dominant naval gun in its class. In France, it was chosen over the country's own 100 mm gun for use on joint projects like the Horizon class and FREMM frigates. The weapon is produced under license in Australia, India, and Spain. In Japan, it is manufactured by Japan Steelworks, while in the US, it is produced by United Defense. Now part of BAE Systems, asterisk, under US Navy nomenclature, the compact is known as the Mark 75 and is paired with the Mark 92 fire control system, the American version of the Selenia RTN-20X radar. In the 1970s, the Naval Systems Division of FMC Corporation and the Ordnance Systems Division of General Electric competed for the manufacturing rights. The Naval Systems Division won in 1975 and delivered the first unit in 1978. From 1981 onwards, production orders alternated between the US and Italy. Asterisk, however, the US Navy has not adopted the super rapid version and has no plans to do so. Its fleet continues to use the compact model, while newer ships are fitted with the 57 mm Mark 110. Due to its exceptional success, many original Oto Melara 76 mm guns have been refurbished and used in new Italian naval vessels. Depending on the configuration and customer requirements, the system costs between $1.5 and $2 million. The gun is suitable for almost any type of warship and has consistently proven its value across global naval operations for decades, showing no signs of becoming obsolete. Asterisk.